Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about how to detach an audio from your video and then use it for your next video. So by this what I mean is I want to detach the audio file from this particular video, and then I want to use that audio in another video, let's say this one, and then I want to delete this video from where I have taken my audio out, and then I'll be using it for some another video, I mean the other video. So for this what we do is you tap on the video that you want to detach audio from. So for me it's this is the one. So when you tap, you see the yellow selected icon, and then at the bottom screen here you see split, detach, duplicate, some options. So let me undo it. Tap on this, and then at the bottom before these buttons here, you see this detach option. Just tap on it, and then it will separate the audio file from the video file. Now what we need to do is we have to tap on the background option here. If you don't tap on the background option, what happens is if we try to delete the video, the audio file will also get deleted. As you see, we have lost our audio as well. So let's undo it and then tap on select the audio, and what we need to do is select tap on the background option. So it will appear as green now. So you see the difference here. Before it's just blue. Now we tap on the background option here, and then it goes green. Now if we delete this video that you don't want anymore, just the audio, we just want to keep this audio. So let me play this video so you'll know what the sound is. So this is from one of our New Year event here in Adelaide, and what I want to do is I want to use this sound for this cat videos. There's not much sound in here, so I want to use that fireworks sound there. So what I'll do is I'll just tap the delete button here, and now you can see the audio file has automatically shifted towards here. So you can also add more videos or select your videos. I'm just showing this for demo purpose. So if I now play this, you'll notice that this audio which was from the previous video has been playing as a background sound. So if you want it as a foreground, so just tap on the foreground, and then you can also mute the original audio from this video, and then by doing this only the previous audio will be remaining here. So now we have two audio files, one from this video and one from the previous video. So you can also adjust the volume for this detached and the previous audio file, and also we can adjust the sound here. So this is it. I hope this video was useful for you to detach your audio from one video and then add it to any other video through iMovie. So this is my cat. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. Right.